Understand that there are two main rules that you must understand in this life. And number one is to know thyself, and number two is to know how to discern other spirits. And what do we mean by knowing thyself? Knowing thyself is understanding that you are spirit, operating a human body with the access to different tools or faculties, namely your mind power, your willpower, and your emotions. And if you understand that you are spirit, then number two is knowing how to discern other spirits. This is because people are not their bodies, they are spirit operating a human body. There are over 8 billion people on this planet, and we are not equal. We are not equal physically. When we're talking about here at the body level, there is someone that can probably lift 500 pounds, and then you have other people that can barely lift 5 pounds. The same applies to our mental ability. The same applies to our emotional awareness. You have people that you associate with enlightenment, such as the different sages, and other people that are the total opposite of that. When it comes to our willpower, again, the same applies. You have people that are highly disciplined, which means that they have a developed will. And then you have others that are very neurotic and compulsive. And when we get to the spiritual level, the same thing applies. Spiritually, we all exist on a spectrum. And there are multiple different names for spirit depending on the culture that you come from. So instead of spirit, you could say light, light force, light source, source energy, the watcher, the observer, etc. So understand that there are people that are closer to life, and then there are others that are closer to death. There are people that are closer to consciousness, and there are others that are closer to unconsciousness. There are people that are closer to benevolence and others that embody malevolence.